Hi, welcome to this section in Microsoft Word. As we've spoken about in the previous section, to open Microsoft Word, you go to Start, you press All Programs, and then you search for Office, Microsoft Office, and then when you find it, click Microsoft Word, and then it should appear here. Okay, we spoke about the mouse as well. We said there's the left click, the double click, and the right click. Okay, and we also spoke about the keyboard and said that if you type things, they will appear on this page here, which is your Microsoft Word. So in our case, let's say for example we are working with a motivational letter. So you want to type it motivational, more motivational. Okay, motivational letter. And maybe you want to say the date that it's written, 11 February 2011. Okay, and then maybe you're applying for sports science bursary institute. Okay, so you've typed a few of the things there. So that's how you type. So to type things, you simply institute. To type things, you simply press keys on the keyboard. So press keys on the keyboard to type, and you see the words will appear on the screen. Press keys, okay, on the keyboard. Okay, and then say for example you are typing. Okay, you are typing your motivational letter and you make a mistake. Okay, and you make a mistake and you realize, I've made a mistake. You realize it. Okay, what you can do is that you can press the backspace on your keyboard. This will erase what you've just worked on. So as you can see, the backspace it erases characters. So backspace erases. Okay, so you can see that you use the backspace to erase things, and you can see that, right? Okay, one of the things you can do is that you can maybe what you can do is that maybe you realize that you only want to remove a certain section. Okay, maybe you want to remove this part. What you can do is that you can click where you want to start removing. So one click, and then you hold on and drag. Okay, dragging is important. Please make sure you know how to do this. So you click, okay, with your left click, and then you hold onto your mouse. Okay, you move your mouse while hold on to that right click. Okay, so you click on with the left click, hold onto it, and move your mouse. Click, hold on, and move. Click, hold on, and move. Okay, so you want to remove this part, then you can just highlight this whole part and press backspace, and all of it is removed immediately. Sometimes maybe you might have deleted things and you realize you made a mistake, that you actually didn't want to delete them. What you can do is that you remember we have this uh, this quick access toolbar. Okay, so you can press undo. Okay, pressing undo will bring back things. So you can see as you press undo, things go back, so it reverses time. What you can also press is redo if you made a mistake and you're like, I deleted that but I want it back, or I just undid something which I want back again. Okay, next to the undo, you have this little arrow. When you press it, you have options. Okay, so these options tell you what you want to undo. Maybe you want to undo the autocorrect. Okay, and the autocorrect will go back to that mistake. That's how I type mistake. So it was supposed to be like this. So you can see undo. You can undo the typing. It's what I just typed now. So if I say undo typing 1, it should only remove the E. Okay, so typing. Okay, so you can see it being corrected there. Okay, and then now let's say you've typed a lot of things. Let's say you are done or have run out of time, right? And you want to save. So what you can do is that you can go to file and then press this button, save. because it's your first time saving, it will ask you to choose a location where you want to save. Okay, so you can choose any location where you want to save, and then the default name is the first few characters in the first sentence of what you're working with. Okay, so motivational letter. Okay, and then you can just say okay, and it will save. What you could have done as well is that you could have pressed the quick access one. Okay, so you could have just pressed that one and it would have done the exact same things. Okay, the reasons why you save because you want to have access. You want to have access to document again. Have access to document again. Okay, so it means later on you can just come and continue from where you left off. Okay, now when you're working, when you're working, you can regularly save by just clicking this save icon, or you can go to file, save. Okay, not and it saves at that particular location, and it's updated automatically. What you can do as well is that you can press control, okay, on your keyboard, and the letter S. Okay, so control and S. Okay, control plus S equals save. Okay, so control and S will give you save. Okay, so please learn how to save. Start typing your motivational letter, how to do it, and just make mistakes. Don't be afraid. Say undo, say edit, say undo, save it, and see how these things work. Okay, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.